Dear Pen Pal, I know it's been a few years since I last wrote you. I hope you're still there. I'm not sure you ever were. I never got any letters back from you when I was a kid, but in a way, it was also very therapeutic. Everyone else judges everything I say, and here you are, some anonymous person who never says boo. You know, maybe you just read my letters and laughed, or maybe you didn't read my letters, or maybe you don't even exist. It's pretty frustrating when I was young. But now I'm glad that you won't respond. Just listen. That's what I want. My dog died. I don't know if you remember, but I had a beagle. He was a good dog. My best friend. I had him as far back as I can remember, but one day, last month, I went out to feed him and he didn't come bounding out of his red doghouse like usual. I called his name, but no response. I knelt down and called out his name. Still nothing. I looked inside the doghouse, and there was blood everywhere. Cowering in the corner was my dog. His eyes were wild, and there was an excessive amount of saliva coming out of his mouth. He was unrecognizable, both frightened and frightening at the same time. Blood had belonged to this little yellow bird that had always been around. My dog and the bird used to play together. In a strange way, it was almost like they were best friends. And I know that sounds stupid, but anyway. The bird had been mangled, ripped apart by my dog. And when he saw that I could see what he had done, his face changed to sadness, and he let out a sound that felt like the word help. I reached my hand into the doghouse, and I know it was a dumb thing to do, but it looked like he needed me. His jaw snapped. I jerked my hand away before he could bite me. Later that day, my parents called the center, and they came and took him away. They gave me his corpse in a cardboard box. When my dog died, that's when the rain cloud came back, and everything went to hell.